Meanwhile, the Congress MP Pramod Tiwari has now confirmed that the Congress Parliamentary Party meeting will take place at 6 p.m. this evening. Another crucial Congress Party meeting lined up, where the party will now decide on their strategy for the upcoming winter session of the Parliament.
देखिए, हमारी मीटिंग जो होगी वो शाम को 6 बजे होगी। स्ट्रेटजी कमेटी की BAC बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी की मीटिंग 4 बजे होगी। तो हम देखें तो सरकार क्या एजेंडे पे ला रही है। अभी तो एजेंडे नहीं साफ है, तो जो एजेंडा होगा उसी पे तो हमारी स्ट्रेटजी बनेगी। और जहां तक सवाल है, ये मुद्दे हमारी प्राथमिकता में शामिल हैं। वोट चोरी को रोकना, अब तो चोरी डकैती बन गई है। जिस तरीके से SIR कराया जा रहा है, जिस तरीके से आतंकवादी गतिविधियां बढ़ी हैं, शेड्यूल कास्ट, शेड्यूल ट्राइब, माइनॉरिटी पे जो जुल्म हो रहा है, पर्यावरण की जो स्थिति हो गई, ये सब हमारे मुद्दे हैं। इस पे स्ट्रेटजी होगी, लेकिन सरकार का एजेंडा तो पता लगे। इसीलिए हमने 4 बजे के बाद, फिर कल हम 10 बजे इकट्ठा होंगे, इंडिया ब्लॉक के लोग वहां तय करेंगे कौन सा मुद्दा कब लेना है, कैसे लेना।
सर, एक अलग हटके मुद्दा है, जिस तरह से मदनी जी ने जो है बयान दिया है, चाहे वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट को लेकर।
So we've seen far too many sessions where there has been a complete washout, and it's the taxpayers' money that goes to the drain. And yet again, the opposition says that we are going to sit together and decide on what the strategy is going to be. The bigger question being, will the parliament function or not? The Congress party is going to be holding a parliamentary party meeting to decide on the agenda and the strategy going into the parliament. Now, it's a winter session of the parliament. Again, there are many bills that are lined up, and yet again, the opposition leaders have said that they will be deciding their strategy. The bigger question being on whether they will allow the parliament to function. We've seen this back and forth happening between the government as well as the opposition leaders. In the previous parliament session as well, the opposition said that the onus is on the government to ensure smooth functioning of the parliament, whereas the government said that the opposition is not allowing the parliament to function. So this political fight has gone on, and now we're seeing the opposition saying that they will decide on what next. Let's also take a look at the agenda that has been set by the Congress party ahead of the winter session. The Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi also briefed the reporters on the priorities that the party has put forth. Listen in. Okay, all right. We'll get that reaction in just a moment. But as of now, the Congress party is holding a meeting to decide on what next. The parliament session is going to begin, and the party is going to decide on what its strategy is going to be. So the Congress party's winter agenda, including nationwide pollution, we're told that these are some of the issues that the Congress party will be picking as well, including the problem of pollution. In fact, we're also told that they will also be speaking about the financial security for the farmers, and also the disaster response. National security will be also on top of the priority for the Congress party. The national security after the Delhi blast will also come in, and the election commission's conduct towards the opposition. This is in fact going to be one of the biggest issues. The opposition leaders and all are going to be united. Not just the Congress party, we're told the opposition leaders from the India bloc are also going to be a part of this meeting and this strategy. In fact, these are part of the agenda for the same. Meanwhile, the government is also gearing up to table 13 key bills in the upcoming winter session, and at the top of the agenda is also the Atomic Energy Bill 2025, arguably the most significant proposal this session. The Prime Minister has already outlined the bill's transformative vision. If passed, it would open India's nuclear sector to private participation, giving a major boost to the nation's energy landscape. India, in fact, has set an ambitious target of generating 100 gigawatt of nuclear power by 2047, more than 10-fold leap from the current capacity. Listen in to what Prime Minister Modi had said.
हम एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सेक्टर में भी कदम उठाने जा रहे हैं। हम न्यूक्लियर सेक्टर को भी ओपन करने की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। इस सेक्टर में भी हम प्राइवेट सेक्टर की सशक्त भूमिका की नींव रखने जा रहे हैं। इससे स्मॉल मॉड्यूलर रिएक्टर, एडवांस रिएक्टर्स और न्यूक्लियर इनोवेशन में अवसर बनेंगे। यह रिफॉर्म